Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to Steph Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news. I'm your host, Martin, and this is episode 366. Can you believe it? If it was leap year, we would have done the whole year already. Anyways, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Link is in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Link's also there. We have a request. Steve saying he's going to be out later. He's having drinks with his buddies. That's cool, man. Do ADA. Sure, man. We'll do ADA. Andrew saying, hey, maker, please. Yeah, we'll do a hey, maker, please. Right on, dude. 2 requests. That's good. Anyways, yeah, I had an area today. Went good. I think I was a little bit evasive on 2 questions, but other than that, I think it was pretty good. I mean, they wanted me to give them a compromise on something that I don't have data to be able to compromise on. So how much sales do you want to do in a year? Depends on your product, dude, and what specifications of your product are. So if you're gonna give me specifications, I cannot give you any data on that. Simple as that, right? No point in lying on an interview. Anyways, good stuff happening today. Took a weird nap. Lasted 2 hours, man. Freaking, I was feeling so tired, man, from yesterday still. I put my daughter, to take a nap, and I just fucking fell asleep with her, and I just went for 2 hours straight. Anyways, besides that, ate pumpkin pie today. It was pretty good. Tried to whip some cream to put it on top. I ended up over whipping it and making actual butter. So now I have butter and buttermilk. So that's I think we're gonna make pancakes tomorrow. And it works out in the end, with fresh homemade butter, dude. It's gonna be good. Anyways, what is up, dudes? Let's go look at crypto, man. What is happening with crypto? Well, that was my day in a nutshell. Yesterday, right? Rejection of, what is it, the 50%? Yeah, the 50%. Even dipped below at 382. Managed to come back up and close between that area. Remember how we said we had to reuse that 32 support, that we were going to either try to rally or break down. We rallied, failed, and pushed back down. Recovered a little bit towards the end of the day, probably. Today moving down still. 0.19%. Yesterday went down 1.16%. Sitting at a market cap of $327.82 billion. Billion with a B, right? Anyways, what is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Yesterday it gained dominance, 0.75%. Today it's losing a little bit of that, 0.20, sitting at 59.49% of market cap. Am I happy? Yes, I want to see Bitcoin lose a lot more dominance. Now, for some reason, these things are flying way up there. It makes no sense where they're at. I'm guessing this should have been here, but for some reason the chart moved, so I'm not sure. There we go. Maybe they adjusted the way to calculate something. On that note, let's go check out Bitcoin futures, right? Because they're closed. Where did the futures close? Well, it closed at 10,550. So if in the weekend we stay somewhere within this area, we should be opening more or less at the same level. No gaps would be left. But if we fail, we could be leaving a gap that we might be moving to close throughout the week. So yeah, Bitcoin at 10,543 hasn't done much since yesterday, right? There we go. I haven't shown this chart in a while. I'll just show this one. Look, we're using that area as support, right? At 10,547, we wicked it. Yesterday, we actually wicked to 10,389. So today, actually, right, the second. Now the third already opened the market. We already know that, right? Market has 21 hours and 50 minutes to go, more or less, for this day to end. Anyways, starting to find support there at 10,547. We're $7 below it. That's fine right now. On this other chart, we've rejected the 10,647, right? Look at that, we're moving down. We're in this area where we could come down to 10,243. It wouldn't be weird if we went there. We could try to find support again. Looking at it on a different light, and we haven't done this yet. We could be doing even a movement down, right? If we were gonna trace a kind of support line here, just like I just did. Just gonna make sure this is gonna be on the daily. I'm gonna make it blue for this. It's gonna require me to fix stuff a little bit later on, but that's fine. Anyways, I'm looking at this, right? Maybe support. Right here, support. We'll go like that. Right, there we go. So we're looking for that, maybe a test of that potential support and then moving down. If we fail there, you know, we have 10,243 to look at. So it wouldn't be weird if we had that move, right? Like I said, low, like high, lower high, lower high, low, higher low. We could be going for a higher low and start making a sort of triangle. Neutral at 45.28 on the RSI. Jake, buddy, I'm not sure if you were with us, man, but you requested something on the Discord. I told you my opinion. I hope it's playing out for you well on Link. This has really not done much since we talked, or since you asked, I guess, right? Anyways, we'll check out Link also later on, so we can check out what Bitcoin Jake's position might have done. Anyways, moving down, right? Getting below that 10,600, like we said, that was yesterday, and the 23-hour candle, so right after the stream. Push down, from then we try to rally, that's fine. We talked about a potential moving down on upsloping consolidation. We're saying it didn't look like too much like a good consolidation pattern, but it was upsloping. We talked about for a couple coins. And that move, we're moving down, upsloping again. Let's see how this is going to play out here on this 4-hour candles. Again, we have a couple more 4-hour candles developing, which is okay. Low, lower low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point, nothing bullish. Right, we're still going off this old bearish that broke us down probably. Right. We did develop something else here post, I think back here, I'm not sure if I called this one out yesterday or not. I might have skipped over it, which would have been weird. I mean, I was feeling tired, so I might have just overlooked this part here. There we go, right. And then we're coming from this high to the lower point here. And also from this high to that lower point. So we're creating some strong bearish divergence there on Bitcoin. Sometimes I don't know if the charts, it's like sometimes the charts don't save, and I've noticed that. So I had that problem, and it usually happens when I have TradingView open on my cell phone. I would do stuff here, and then on the cell phone it just doesn't ask me to reload, so I'll just take that as a current chart whenever I close this, and it just deletes everything I've done here before. Hope that wasn't the case. We did get the moving down. I hope I did call this yesterday. I don't remember right now, but getting that moving down. Trying to get that bounce, that's fine. Not a lot happening here on the bottom part, right? The strong bearish divergence breaking us down. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right on. So post-stream, this happened post-stream, right? Because we were going from here, and then look, we went down here, right? That was at midnight on the 2nd. So today at midnight, right as the clock turned, we ended up going slightly lower, which is okay, right? That's something that we kind of discussed it could happen, right? They said, look, we're gonna go up, maybe retest, which we did. We're failing to get higher. Move down, that's fine. And that move creates some strong bullish divergence, and with that, price action to the upside, right? So we're getting that rally coming. Struggled with the 20 a little bit, managed to get above it, failed slightly, got back on top of it, but really failing to take off from the 20. Is that not what we want to see? We really want to see it come up with strength and really burst through that area. Not super confident with this. Mainly because we're creating hidden bearish. Look at this, right? From here to here. Just making sure everything's anchored properly. There we go. We're going from low to high, right? Some hidden bearish. We don't have it here against the RSI. That's fine. We could have it even from here against the RSI, which would be another way to look at it, right? From here to here. And then it is all one island. But I'll just go from here to here. Just to illustrate it, right? So hidden bearish against the MACD. A different time scale, different anchoring points for the RSI. And on that, we're getting that divergence. Short scale here, 1509, 1441, right? We could even go from here to here, right? And from here to here. So some slight strong bearish here on the 1 hour. I know there's a lot of lines going on with this. Forgive me for that, but I'll try to keep it as clean as I can. There we go, right? Stuff against the MACD, stuff against the RSI, short term, strong bearish against the RSI, right? So just have that in mind as you set up your trades. For Bitcoin, could be looking for another movement down. Like I said, 10,200 wouldn't be weird if we actually retested that area. Another way to look at this, which I'm not too confident this would be a shoulder. I'll go on another chart for this. Wow, music turned super weird. This one should be okay. Again, this is an idea I'm going to play with. I'm not going to call it a for sure thing right now. But just bear with me for a second, right? Look at this. snap, I moved something I didn't want to move. Something coming up in the chat. Jake, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here. Gonna need, yeah, TA link. Yeah, dude, I already wrote it down, dude, earlier. For you, man, because I said that I didn't know how your position was playing, but look, man, it's there. Link. Right there. Anyways, yeah. I'll have you covered, man. No worries. You still have it short? You think under 9? Alright, cool. There's an idea I'm playing with Bitcoin, right? Again, shoulder, head, and maybe here another shoulder. Look at that. Like, look at this area, right? We're very, very close to this area. It could be a shoulder. I would have liked to see more, if a valley developing here, right? At least like one more candle in between, but that's fine, really. We don't need to have it. On this note, that would be a possible inverse head and shoulders. Again, this shoulder didn't go as deep, so the neckline would be a little heavily skewed like that, probably. Even like that, because this would have been the neckline. So I'm not liking how this head and shoulders is looking. But I'm just playing with this possibility, right? I want to make it a possibility. This is the largest part that we have here. So what we were looking for on that break, right, is we're retesting that. And if we take off, we could be looking for 10,700 as a target. FL, how's it going, man? You're late again. No, we're just starting, bro. I'm still on Bitcoin. So you always water your lawn in the morning? Because you always tell me the same thing, bro. You're like, oh, dude, I'm sorry. I just came in. I'm watering the lawn. Which is fine, really. I don't mind. But, you know, we're just starting, really. Market is down, but you played the charts and made money. That's good, man. That's how it should be done, right? Take profits. Take profits. Paper profits don't matter. Realized profits, that's what counts. It doesn't matter if you're 100% up on your trade and then it goes down. Didn't matter unless you materialized it. If you took profits and it went down, you bought back in at a lower price, good for you. You have a bigger position and you took money. If you didn't and you didn't play charts, you just lost your whatever profit you could have had. So you're back at square one. You're at zero again, right? So again, take profits, guys. It's healthy to take profits. It gets you to the moon faster sometimes than by just hodling. Plus, imagine you put in $1 at like $1, right? $1 value. It goes to 10, right? You take profits at 10, it goes back 1 to $1. You already made $9 on that dollar you placed. You can either take that money and buy back 1 again, or you can put more in, but you already have money that you can spend because you already took profits. Again, be smart with your money. Anyways, potential head and shoulders. Again, I'm just looking at this as a possibility. I'm not calling it a for sure thing yet. Bitcoin, I don't think we called anything bullish here except for this. And again, we're having this just, there's a lot of crossover lines. I get that, right? High to low here against the MACD for hidden bearish. Move this down, try to rally, creating short-term strong bearish divergence, right? Then from here to here, we're having that hidden bearish against the RSI. So just keep that in mind. We're neutral at 46.91. There's a chance we could move down on Bitcoin. And like I said, 10,200 wouldn't be weird. We're holding support at the 20, which is good. And that might give us also that support that we have on the neckline if this is to be a valid head and shoulders. So just keep that in mind, right? FL, it's 7:45 in Southern California right now. Yeah, dude, it is 7:45 in Southern Cal. What is happening with Ethereum? You made money in Link buying low, selling high. Yeah, that's how you can also make money by buying high and selling low, right? If you're short. A lot of people think it's a joke, but for real, you can short, right? It's a trader's joke saying buy low, sell high. But you know, by shorting the market, you can do that. Anyways, what do we had here? We had bullish divergence, trying to get that rally. Still stuck between that 364 and that 319. Haven't really dropped much. Sitting at 346 bucks, more or less where we were at yesterday, right? We're slightly higher at 350, but like we haven't even dropped $5 or $6. So it's not too bad. Had a low, positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Neutral at 44.30. There's really nothing else developing here. I'm going to go to the 4 hour. The music's turn again. There we go. What is going on here? Let's check this one out. Again, bearish divergence, right? Sorry, hidden bullish, or type 2 bullish. I can't remember what we called it. Hidden bullish, I think. Actually, to the upside, we got the rally. That's good, right? That happened until the first. That from then... Again, see, I was positive that I had called this yesterday because there's no way I missed it here also, right? And like I said, sometimes the charts don't save, so it just freaking sucks. I have to rework some of the stuff, but from here to here. Right. And then here we didn't have it against the RSI. That's fine, yeah. Bearish divergence, we moved down on that, remember? We talked about this. I was positive because we talked about that reversal happening. Getting below at 20, going for lower areas of value, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to a lower point. Neutral right now at 43.57. We don't have anything bullish. We also talked about the consolidation that this was making, right? That wasn't looking too good. A little bit sideways, upsloping nonetheless. Broke down on that, right? Bitcoin had the same thing. Here, we didn't have anything. Yeah, I remember. We didn't call anything here, which is fine. But here, short term, look at this, right? Going from high to low, and then going from negative to less negative, and then a low point on the other side. We're going to a higher point, 25.20, 25.67. Yes, very slightly. So we're making some strong bullish divergence, just like Bitcoin had, right, on the 1 hour. Try to rally, struggle with the 20 slightly, which is what we would expect to see when we face resistance. Got above the 20, but really failing to take off, right? Had a low. Are we going from positive to less? But yeah, dude, it looks like we're also doing a little bit like what Bitcoin's doing, right? From here to here. This is gonna be stuck in the 1 hour. Yes, it is, dude. And then from here to here, right? So hidden bearish action to the downside. That's why we're stalling here and failing to take off. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. Neutral at 49.62. Something happening on the chat. Let's see. It was a joke. It's the other way around. Yeah. XRP, USD, ADA, USD. Yeah, sure, man. Damn, son. Jake, you have way too much DVT. Which is good. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad, but you have a lot of DVT. Yeah, dude, Phil, we already got a request for ADA. We're going to look at that. And XRP is the next one. So, yeah. No worries, dude. Lost a pen. There we go. Pen down. Pen down. Oh, dude, do you guys see the news about Trump having COVID and he going to the hospital? Ain't that crazy, dude? Anyways, let's go to check out XRP. XRP at 23 cents, 23.34 cents. Again, it wouldn't be weird if we came back and hit this area at 22.60, right? 22.60. We're sitting at 23.34. Again, failing to take off, rejecting the 20. We talked about that. Bearish divergence, potential movement down. Hidden bearish nonetheless. Nothing happening still on the daily. Sitting neutral at 41.43. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, XRP heavily underperforming. Alright, we had the hidden bullish, which was fine. Now, this one played us to the upside, which is okay. We managed to still come down here, which is also fine. And now from here to here, right, to the new lower point here on the 4 hour. And this is going to get a little bit... I'm gonna pick a different anchor point. Oh, dude, I don't think I can. Based on the fact that we do have an island here. It is one island, though. We could ignore it. I'm not sure if I want to. I'm not gonna, but well, I am gonna from here to here. All right, nope, no, I'm not. I can't. I'll be doing the same thing. Sorry, guys. Brain, like yeah, no. I was trying to look for something, but we don't have it. I was gonna say, look, we still have this movement, but we obviously don't. I think. Let's see. What was this area here? 63. This was already 72. Yeah, dude, that is the same move. What am I talking about, dude? I just got weirded out a second. Here we go. From here to here, from here to here. Again, what am I doing here, right? Low, higher low, low point on there, negative momentum, more negative momentum, right? Still creating that hidden bullish, and probably why we're seeing this stalling here. We went higher. It wouldn't be weird if we actually came down here and still develop hidden bullish and try to go for that rally, right? Anyway, sitting neutral at 41.08 on that RSI, so not a lot happening on the RSI. We're neutral. Let's go to the 4 hour, sorry, the 1 hour, and see what we got there. Right on, going slightly higher, that's fine. Do we have something here short term? I can't remember if we called divergence here yesterday or not. Let's see, what is this? 33, 34, slightly higher. No, we didn't. Alright, so everything to here was good. Broke down because Bitcoin, the rest of the crypto broke down. That was fine. Now from here to here, we're definitely coming in lower on that price, right? That's one move. And then we're going from negative momentum to less of that negative momentum, and a low point on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. Which is really okay, right? We're creating that strong bullish divergence action to the upside. Look at that. Went up, slight resistance on the 20, got above it, but really failing to take off again. Just like the rest of crypto. Also, look at this move from here to here, right? High to low, and then positive to more positive, right? Again, that hidden bearish coming into play, stalling the takeoff from XRP. After that hidden bearish, we could be expecting a move to the 20, maybe try to find support there. Still yet to be determined if that's going to be the move, but it's not looking too strong yet, right? I mean, it's failing to drop, which is okay, but it's really not taking off, which is something that worries me a little bit. Anyways, on that note, neutral at 47.24 on that RSI. Let's go check out the Litecoin. What's happening on Litecoin? High to low. Positive, more positive, right? We had the bearish divergence, hidden action to downside, moving down, rejection of the 20, which is fine. Not a lot. Neutral at 40.66. Again, we already talked about this move the other day, so it's fine. In the 4 hour. Again, weird that we don't have these lines. Because I'm positive that we had already called this one out a couple times ago, right? Anyways, going slightly higher. Again, all from here to here, right? So creating that strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We didn't have it against the RSI, which was fine. Moving down, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point. Neutral right now at 42.93. That's the only thing we have, right? That strong bearish that's moving us down. That's okay, not worried yet. We did try to hold on to a 20 after that. We lost it and broke down with the rest of crypto. Right, so on that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, we had that movement up, that's fine. We took that spike up, we didn't create anything to there. Broke down with the rest of crypto, Bitcoin breaking down at 10 a.m. on the first, right? Getting that movement down. Our creating divergence here, let's see, 21.20 slightly, but we do have it nonetheless. Low, lower low. And then from here to here, right? So, bearish divergence, strong potential action. Sorry, bullish divergence, strong potential action to the outside. Retain that rally. Failing at the 20 slightly, once, twice, getting above it. But again, really failing to take off, right? Not taking that with strength. We don't have that hidden bearish that the rest of crypto has on Litecoin, right? High to low, positive to less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point, neutral at 46.11. So I'm not worried about this. This could still go up, right? And look, it's doing like 3 green candles, right? Continues 4 green candles, 5 green candles. XRP, on the other hand, like he has red candles. Ethereum also has red candles, right? Look at that. 1 green and then reds, but you know, everyone's more or less just moving sideways right now. Let's go check out Binance. Again, last thing we had was bullish. That's fine. We haven't created anything bearish. Moving down slightly, hitting that 20, finding support. That's great. Nothing happening on the daily. Neutral at 54.39. Something that we could try to say we could do. Imagine this line just continues going up like that, and then this line could be coming in like this, right? And we could be going for a sort of symmetrical triangle. You know, just an idea. Whether or not that's going to be they're always going to play out, still yet to be determined. You know, I'll just change this to blue real quick, and we'll do that line also right down here. Just like that, right? Potential of symmetrical triangle. Neutral at 54.49 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence, breaking down on that. That's great. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low, higher, low. What is that? 386, 362, slightly less. So no hidden bullish yet. No, nothing happening bullish. Just sitting neutral at 48.19. Let's go to the 1 hour. Anyways, Binance at 27 buckaroos and 25 cents. I forgot to anchor this on the daily, and that's fine. I'll just do that real quick. Visibility. Daily, there we go. This one also is from the daily. There we go. Bearish divergence, action to the downside. We broke down, low, lower, low, right? It's all good here. Coming into here. Again, we're going to be creating that strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside here on Binance, right? And we're coming from here to here. And from here to here, right? So, negative momentum, less negative momentum, low on our side to a higher point. Again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, right? Now here we're creating some hidden bearish, and you might be able to see this one clearly. It's not that hard to spot. From in here, and against the RSI we also have it, right? So hidden bearish. Action to the downside, we're stalling, right? Failing to take off. Really trying to determine right now. I guess we're seeing a little bit of indecision happening right now in the market. Because price has been more or less contained within this range, right? The 27.48 to 26.89, right? That's where we've been ranging since 11 in the morning. So almost for the past 10 hours or so, right? We're just moving more or less sideways. Now, it's okay. We have the hidden bearish that's obviously putting pressure to the downside, or exerting that downwards pressure. But the strong bullish is still trying to fight on to get the price to go higher. It's just, we're battling it out, right? If we fail, if we might go to the 20 again, if we fail there to hold support, we'll keep looking for it moving down. If we manage to hold support again, you know, look for a potential bounce happening on Binance. On that note, thank you all for being here. I'm not sure who's still with us, but thank you all for being here. Again, I feel like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Let's go check out. Alright, so we're going to jump onto the request. First request we had was ADA. It was from Steve. He was offline, and he came in and said, like, I'm going to be off, dude. Please check out ADA. So that's the first one. Second one we have is Maker, and then we'll look at Link. After Link, we'll look at DVT. Again, Cardano, right? It looks like it's following the rest of crypto. We'll check it out in a second, though. Waiting for the daily to load here. Oh, there we go. Moving down, right? Breaking the 50% retrace. We talked about that being a possibility yesterday, right? So move down. Managed to hold on support at the 20, which is fine. We're going to try to go for a bounce. We're going to face immediate resistance, which it looks like we already kind of rejected or got very close to at the 50. Right, the 50 being at 9.48 cents. Right now we're seeing at 9.30 cents. And again, look, we haven't quite hit it yet, but it looks like we moved up slightly, right? But we're failing to really take off. Sitting neutral at 45.90 on that RSI. I'm just going to anchor to where we actually close here that day. That's fine, and then that's fine there. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had the hidden bullish. Try to go for the rally. We didn't create anything bearish. We just broke his crypto broke. So moving down on that movement, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side. No. So in the short term, within this island, we don't have anything. But again, if we go the same exercise that we did for XRP, right, going from low to higher low, right, new higher low, let's say. You'll see that we're going from this point to that point over there, right? Again, creating that same hidden bullish divergence, and that's probably what's stalling us here. Again, divergence, this is what I would have just tracked to there. The only reason I'm leaving it is because this played to the upside, right? Like we would have expected. This is playing to the upside, but again, this just keeps on tracking, right? So long as we stay above this area and we make more negative momentum, we just keep on tracking this hidden bullish, right? That note sitting neutral at 41.30 on the RSI. So again, a bounce to 20. Wouldn't be weird, but I'm not sure we're gonna get it because we seem to be stalling here. We might have developed something on the 1 hour. We're gonna check it out. Right, look at this in the 1 hour, right? Low, lower low. That same strong bullish divergence that the rest of the market has. So again, all of crypto is very much in sync with this. Sorry, we don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. There we go. And here, what I'm looking at, right? Look, high to low, and why we're stalling, right? The reason that, like, remember how I said we were stalling on the 4 hour, and we're gonna find the clue on the 1 hour. This is why we are stalling. High to lower high, then positive to more positive, right? Look at that, right? So that we have that hidden bearish for potential action to the downside. That's what moved us down and really getting us to fail to take off. Here we rejected the 20. Now we finally got above the 20, but we're really not taking off with strength. On this fibs, shorter term fibs, again, this used to be the previous high. That was fine. We need to shift our anchoring points to the new high, which would be here, and that's great. Nothing wrong with that. Because we didn't know if this was the local high, which we hadn't determined. That's fine. Steve, you're here. We're just doing ADA, bro. Anyways, like I said, right, we had the bullish, got the rally, created the strong hidden bearish, strong bullish, got the rally, hidden bearish, stalling, trying to continue on that rally, but really failing to take off from the 20. Gonna find resistance at the 382 at 0.947. and sitting neutral right now at 45.09 on the RSI. I don't have anything here to chart on the RSI. Everything's just against the MACD, right? Real quick run through, right? On the 4 hour, again, starting to create this hidden bullish, which again is what is giving us the pump to the upside. And then we haven't created anything here. For stalling, what's stalling us is happening on the 1 hour, and then on the daily, we don't have anything new, right? Hidden bearish, that's about it though. That's it for ADA. Well, let's go check out the next request that we had, which was Maker. Hey, Maker. Ah, dude, where do we look at Maker, dude? Steve just finished a bottle of wine. I might have to look in the morning so you remember. Right on, dude. I just finished making butter, apparently. I wanted to make whipped cream, and I overbeat the cream, and it ended up splitting. And I just keep on beating it until it turned into butter. I knew it was going to turn into butter if it split, but, you know. Because, you know, when you're whipping cream, you're basically making it a froth and by introducing air. But if you overwork it, then you start to like get the solids to clump together, right? And then you end up making butter. So I ended up making butter today. And buttermilk. The remaining, you know, after you squeeze it out, you end up with buttermilk. And the buttermilk is, you know, I think we're going to have to make pancakes tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm going to have to, like, get rid of the buttermilk. But, you know, hey, bro, it's just one of those things that happens, right? I was like, I used to use a, you know, a whipping tool, right? Like, you know, a hand mixer. But the one I had, I kind of broke. It burned. So, I was whipping by hand, and I just overworked it. Sip some garlic and dale and Carl Gourmet. Yeah, dude, you can actually put herbs in it. It's still quite fresh. I squeezed most of the liquid out by hand. Now I need to put it in the fridge for a little bit, let it cool off. Then I'm gonna have to bring it out and start, like, you know, working it again, so I can get most of the liquid that it still has out. And then it's gonna be really good butter, dude. I can actually put some herbs in there, you know, oregano and other stuff, or like, you know, rosemary, and make it like a flavored butter. Yeah, dude, you can make it gourmet, right? I can also put salt in it. Right now, it's still unsalted. Yeah, it's basically what happened prior to me starting the stream, so that's fine. But yeah, that was my day so far. Interview went good, dude. I know you asked Flavor Butters are where it's at. Yeah, dude, Flavor Butter is where it's at. I know you asked how the interview went. It went good. I was a little bit evasive onto the questions. They wanted me to give them targets for a year. Like, where was I seeing the company in a year? I was like, dude, fuck, dude, you know, you need to give me the specs for the product first and see how the competition is. So I need to do market analysis prior for me to be able to tell you where I think the company is going to be. If you just want me to, like, give you a weird number without nothing, it's impossible, right? I mean, I would be, like, basically digging a hole, putting a gun to my head and just shooting myself and already be in the hole, right? So, you know, it's like some of the questions that they throw out there, I guess, to see if you're going to bullshit them. And I just went honest, dude, you know. It's like, dude, I cannot tell you where it's going to be at because I don't know what you have, right? We need to, like, really check the market, see how your product behaves, how much it's going to cost to get your product from where you have it to this country, and see if the companies are willing to buy the product, the specs that your product has. So once that's done, we will be able to, like, better assess this. But right now, if you just want me to give you an answer, it's not going to happen, right? So, you know, I was a little bit evasive. I didn't tell her that it wasn't going to happen, but, you know, I just told her, like, we need to, like, get more information for me to be able to give her a projection. And I hope that was fine with her. I really don't, I don't know. But I'm really not super worried about that anyways. It's a very good opportunity, though. I really hope it goes through. Anyways, Maker. Going higher. Nothing bearish. And $568.94. Again, we're stalling here. Maybe something on the shorter time scales. I can't remember if we called something out there yesterday. Again, some of the stuff I worked didn't save. So we're going higher. We didn't have anything bearish, right? We're going higher still. Boom, 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 right? Higher. We're just breaking down. Maybe something on the 1 hour here. Broke us down. Broke below the 20, which is fine. Bearish divergence right around what Bitcoin got it as well, right? So just following the rest of crypto. Taking a bounce today. Going 3.16% in the last, on this 4 hour candle, which is good. Maybe we have something bullish happening, low to high again. Yeah, some hidden bullish developed, right? That's good, man. That's good for this. Look at that. Boom, boom, right? There we go. On the 4-hour, Maker going slightly higher, man. Anyways, boom, getting that rally, which is very, very nice. On Hidden Bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Getting out that 20 right on the 1 hour. We had the bearish divergence, right? That broke us down. Look, I'm not sure we looked at Maker yesterday, but for some reason I don't have that line here. This line from here to here. Like I said, for some reason this thing doesn't save all the time, so it's either that or we didn't do this yesterday. But you know, what else? I have this strong bearish divergence here for price action to the downside. Right, boom, get that moving down now. Low, higher low, negative, more negative, creating hidden bullish, right? Look at this, boom, boom, boom. Action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. Now coming in lower, and here we are at 5.06. Here the highest point is 4.80 something. So what are we doing? Strong bullish. Look at that, right? Strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI either. Like I said, we just have it here against the MACD. But against the RSI, we have this, right? Look at this. We're going to go from here to here, creating that awesome triangle. And from here to here, right? Again, hidden bearish, strong bearish against the MACD, right? Hidden and strong. And against the RSI, we're just creating this hidden bearish. So we're taking that rally, got to 20, rejected slightly, struggled, and now we're really taking off. Right? Gaining 2% in the last candle and 1.13% this candle, which is really, really cool. Yeah, you know, I didn't want to be a dick in an interview, dude. I just thought about answering the questions like to the best of my abilities, being honest and, you know, upfront with them. Like, there's no point in them generating false expectations and then them coming in and asking for results later on, right, that I cannot deliver on because I don't know what their market is like yet. So they already asked me to do a ton of stuff for them before. It's the second time I interview with them. I was gonna go. Apparently, everything was set for me to like start with them in May because we already had agreed on everything. We had everything, you know, down to a T. What do you had, you know, the amounts to be paid, you know, everything. And due to COVID, it stalled. And the guy told me, look, we're not going to start because of COVID because if we bring you on board, you're not going to be able to travel right now. There's no point in you being here yet. And he said once COVID starts to die down a little bit, we'll give you a call. So I said, okay, that's fine. I know I'm their only candidate right now. So, you know, I'm pretty good on the process. He called me. He's like, dude, the lady from Colombia, she has some, like, you know, pet coke. She wants to move over there, which is petroleum coke, right? To basically just it's not pet coke, met coke, metallurgical coke, which they use for metallurgical processes, right? Like smelters. And they wanted me to talk to her, so I talked to her, and basically there are other projects still going on. But this is another opportunity that I can participate with them to onboard them. But they asked me for so much stuff before that if they ask me for more stuff again, I think my answer is going to be, look, man, I enjoy talking to you, but unless you give me the job, I'm not going to be providing you with any more information. You know, that's enough, dude. I have a real-time, like a full-time job that I could get into problems for giving you this information. Because, you know, I do work with some sensitive information that, you know, kind of gives me some knowledge as to parts of their markets that they're trying to get into. So I cannot give them anything else, but, you know, unless they hire me now, I'm not going to give them anything else. I think that's going to be it. But yeah, it was a good call, man. We'll see how that works out. Anyways, nothing bearish in Maker, right? Let's go check out Link. Link for buddy Bitcoin Jake. Bitcoin Jake into his hills. Link. Oh, by the way, I got another idea for an NFT, which is going to be really cool. Oh, Jake, that's awesome, bro. Is that going to be an NFT that you're going to make? I just saw what you sent me on the Discord, bro. You said 908. I just noticed that you sent like that guy that's like this that's spinning. So I'm not sure what that is. It looks really cool. And then you sent me another image, which I'm not sure if you're gonna make an NFT. It's like an Ethereum sign. That's gonna be dope, bro. If you make that into an NFT, that's gonna be really cool, man. That's gonna be really interesting. I'm not gonna show it just because you know, it's your stuff. Once you make an NFT and you put it up there, I will show it. But I'm gonna send you my NFT idea, bro. I have a really cool one. I think you might like it. Check out your Discord. I just sent it to you. I'm just gonna put some effects on it for GIF. It's gonna be super killer, man. It took me a while to make it, but I think it's really cool. And I managed to squeeze the Devault logo in there. Is it a demon? No, it's not a demon, dude. I'll show you part of it, dude. It's right there, right? It's that spinning thing that he sent me. Which is that spinning dude emoji here, right? That one. And then he sent something else with an Ethereum diamond in it, but I'm not gonna show that one because that's his stuff. So yeah, that other one, dude. It took me a while to get it done, dude. Which is gonna be, I think it's gonna be cool if I can make that into a and put it up there for sale. So I can show that second one, I guess. This one, you just put preview, right? So I'm gonna be able to show it, I guess. Right. So, anyways, he sent me this one. It says preview. I think he just put preview so I could show it, but it's an Ethereum diamond with like the universe behind it, and then back here's my idea, which is like an inverted American flag, with this is the United States of crypto, and then instead of stars, it just has a whole bunch of crypto logos in it, which I think is pretty cool. So those are gonna be for NFTs, I guess. Awesome, dude. We're coming NFT fanatics, bro. I know I told you I was gonna send you something. I just haven't had the Ethereum to do it. I'm gonna see if I can send it now. By the way, this is Rarible, where you can actually create collectibles and send stuff. So I'm gonna try to see if I can send this from my collectibles. Transfer token. You sent me your address yesterday, so we're gonna do a little bit of education here. Show you guys how to send this. I hope the gas fees are low, dude, because yesterday they were killer. I didn't have enough to like send it. Continue. I still don't have enough to send it. Fucking hell, dude. I did like get more Ethereum in here so I can send that, but you know. I haven't transferred Ethereum to my wallet, bro. It's been a weird day, man. I took like a 2-hour nap or something. You need an NFT channel in the Discord that only the chosen can see. Yeah. Yeah, I guess high right now again. Yeah, dude, that's the only thing I hate about Ethereum. That if you want to do something, sometimes it's so expensive, dude, to like just get stuff done in Ethereum, that it's really pointless to try to do it sometimes because you just end up spending more, right? It's just freaking dumb. Anyways, we had another request for I think we just finished Link, so I have a request for DBT, man. Oh, we're actually gonna do DBT. No, did we finish Link or were we just starting Link? I think we're gonna start Link. So let me do Link. 88 for the win. Yeah, dude, 88 for the win, man. Link on a daily, rejecting that 50% line, or yeah, 50% line. Heading for that 618, right? That's what I was worried about today. Which we ended up pulling back down a little bit more, which was fine. Again, nothing happening here on the technicals. Maybe short term we develop something here. I'm not sure. I have to zoom in a little bit more. Right, we do have something here. From here to here. Daily, which is fine, and then from here to here, right? So we are developing hidden bearish action to downside. That's what we're breaking down at resistance, right? So, anyways, let's go to the 4 hour. Right on the 4 hour. Look at that. High to low. Low, low, low. Again, I was looking for that movement up. We are getting that slow movement up on the daily, starting the 4 hour, but it's not too strong, right? We're stalling. Now I said. Potential hit that 20. Right now it doesn't look like we're going to hit that 20, right? That's why I was worried about this not going up. We're gonna have to look at the 1 hour to see if we have anything there. Again, we don't have anything else happening here on the RSI. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Lower, lower on the RSI. Here we do have that strong bullish again. Trying to get that rally, but failing to take off. Now we could try to go for a movement down, fail to dump, and try to take off. We could stall here and try to take off. You know, hit that 20 and see what's gonna happen. Or we could try to go lower, create more strong bullish divergence. This time also against the RSI, and then try to run from there. Neutral at 40.74. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, lower, low, negative. Well, that's negative, right? We had that strong bullish divergence, right? I can't remember what time you were asking for this on the Discord, but it was earlier today, and I told you some stuff there. The Discord. Let's see what time it was. It was 10 in the morning, almost 11 in the morning. So, look for that 11 in the morning candle. This would have been it, right? This one. So, yeah, you know, we kind of stalled for a little bit. Hit the 20. Remember how I told you I would have waited for a hit of the 20 and try to get above it? That was my comment, dude. See? I'll even show it. I would have waited too long to get above the 20 MA on the 1 hour, which is what we're looking at, right? We haven't gotten above the 20. We're just barely getting above that 20. Also, IDK where you open your short, but maybe a retest of the 20 or closing it at the 20 MA would have been a better play just in case it rejected 20 harder or in case it drops from where it's at, right? But again, I don't know what your in was. Good that you took profit though, right? Anyways, that was my comment, and let's see how it played out, right? 10 in the morning. I said wait for a hit of the 20, right? So if you were here, hit the 20, right? You opened here next to the 20, but you were hitting right on the 20. Try to bump a little bit, rejected, right? Look at that rejection. It was harder and lower than we were at. So this would have been a good area to take profit, or maybe here it would have still been good to take profit here. But again, not doing much, right? 2020 will be the year of Cardano. Maybe, man. If the zombie apocalypse doesn't happen, it might be the year of a couple coins. But you know, shit's been weird so far. You know, France is starting to close down again, bars and restaurants because of COVID. You know, second wave. So we're going to see that second wave. We're going to see a lot of people getting affected. Now, that second wave is going to happen also with the flu season. All right, and what that is going to imply is that whether or not you got COVID, you're going to have symptoms that are very similar. You're going to have to go to the hospital. And, you know, they're probably going to give priority to people with COVID. And a lot more people are going to be faring worse with the flu and with other stuff. So the hospitals could be getting crowded again. I think that's just like, you know, some of the stuff that I've been hearing that could happen for a second wave, because everyone that is going to have the flu would be a potential candidate for COVID because the symptoms are so similar. Just test work is going to be able to tell, you know, some lab work. And once you get the lab work done, they might be giving preference to people with COVID, you know, and if you just have the flu, they might just send you home and you just have to deal with it. So, yeah, it's going to become a little bit weird because any symptoms that you have, flu, cold, whatever, they're all COVID-like. So you're going to have to get a lot of test work done for everyone just to make sure that you know who has COVID and who doesn't have COVID. So it's going to become a little bit of a nightmare for labs and other hospitals, right? Look. Let's do this real quick though before I move into DVT. Anyways, president of the hospital. And this one's the article I was telling you, right? Paris has risk of total lockdown as Europe cases rise again. So they're getting the second wave of the COVID, right? So again, right? Not cool. We'll see how that plays out again. Yeah, it's gonna have a wreck on the economy again. So we could be looking for a second wave of drops in markets, maybe strengthening of crypto still once more. Who knows? Still yet to be determined, right? But again. And again, it kind of sucks that Trump got COVID. I mean, I wouldn't wish that on anyone. We'll see how he deals with it and how he progresses with that, right? On that note, let's go and check out DVT. D to the V to the T. Let's refresh to make sure we have the latest data here. Sorry, guys. Looking for something real quick. Why did I get pinged? Someone just pinged me on Discord. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't anything urgent. It don't look like it was urgent, so it's fine. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to make sure everything was good here. If you market sold your entire DVT bag right now, you would bring it down to like 0.8 satoshis. That's not cool. That'll be really bad for DVT, man. Yeah. I don't mind where it's at, dude. I think it's like a good price. If you market bought to double up your whole bag, you would probably bring it up to like 7.9 sats, which is good, right? You should do that instead. Get some indicators out here. RSI and the Mickey D, right? Right, so low, higher, low, negative, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Now here, right, going higher, we're coming lower. We created some bearish divergence, action to the downside. Yes, yes. Look at that, action downside. Right, even here, short term. Recovered, right, going sideways. Bearish divergence once more. Type 2 price action to the downside. Looking too good for DVT, man. We could be looking for more pressure to the downside. That's probably why we're back at 4.3 sats. We wouldn't be worried if we retested that 4 sat area. It's really not that far off from where we're at right now, right? That 4 sats is at, that's almost about a million drop, but you know, it could be done if someone sold a million, almost a million. So, yeah. Let's go to the 4 hour. What is happening with DVT here? Okay, coming in lower, lower, and some strong bullish from here to here, right? So from here to here, and then from here to here, right? Potential action to the upside, again, that rally. Moving slightly down right now on hidden bearish. Look at that, right? So from here to here. And from here to here, right? And here to here also. So in bearish divergence, action to the downside. Again, curving us off to the downside. Not what we want to see here. On that note, let's go check out the daily DVT. Who knows, man? Thanks, Cals, for sending that on the Discord. I don't know, bro. Maybe that's the case, right? Why am I not worried about this yet? Well, for one, we're going here. Alright, so low, lower, low, and look at this. Negative, less negative, right? Low on the other side to a higher point. We have strong bullish on the daily. It just takes a while to play off on the daily, right? It just takes more time to develop and build. So on the daily, we do have the strong bullish potential action to the upside on DVT. Let's see if this is going to really pump the market, right? On that note, let's go back to here, man. Are people getting burned out on crypto, man? Do you guys think that's the case? Someone was talking to me about crypto burnout, and the market being all weird. Do you guys think that's the case? Do you guys think people are like being burned out on crypto right now, and that's part of the reason why, you know, we're seeing all this weird stuff happening all over? There we go. Oh, the hell, let's just move that here. Well, we'll cover most of the stuff. There's no requests coming up, so I'm gonna start looking at gold and silver real quick. I just want to see how those closed. Then we'll look at the markets real quick, and you know, I don't want to sign off yet. I don't feel like burned out or anything like that. Like tired, I would say, but you know. Again, put my daughter to bed. Not to bed, but she want to take a nap, so I like put her to sleep a little bit, and I just passed out with her, and I fell asleep for like 2 hours, man. So I think about 2 hour nap today. I was just feeling really tired still from yesterday. Anyways, again, that bullishness rallying, hitting that 20, rejecting on gold, closed at 1,898. Silver. Again, trying to get back to that 1618. Closed at $23.69. Nothing happened since the hidden bullish. The Dow went down 134 points. What? Yes, it moved down. Managed to hold above the 20 though, right? That's gonna be key. We had the hidden bullish. Let's see how that's gonna keep on playing out. The US 30 Dow Live also closed above that 20, which is okay. Look, it pulled back up a lot towards the end of the day. S&P 32 points down. Still managed to hold on to a 20. Let's see if that's going to be the case. Strong bullish, right? Got that rally. London up 90 points. Now we're definitely going higher. Are we also going higher here? No. Let's see. 21, 20. Barely, man. Barely something there. Again, going up slightly higher and then coming lower, right? And that is going to give us bearish divergence strong right now. Potential action to the downside. I'm not sure if this is going to be hold on. We're going to hold on to that. Any slight pump, it's going to get this to go slightly higher. I'm going to get rid of it. But right now we are developing. We just got to acknowledge it. 60, 62.59 and 61, 66. So slightly less also. Again, bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. On that note, let's go look at the Nikkei. Nikkei losing 155 points on rejection off the 20. Oh man, how the mighty have fallen. What are we doing here? We still have, right? We had this. Again, I'll just do it in two parts. So we just acknowledge that we call that one. We're going to there, and then we're going from here to here, right? So again, we still have the same hidden bullish. We also have it here against the RSI. So we're just waiting for this to play off. We might get another bounce happening here, maybe for a retest of that 20 on the Nikkei. Music got super slow. Toronto managed to close up off the 20, right? Gap down and pushed up a lot. It actually went up so much more than whatever it's 14 points, right? But it's just 0.09%. If we take a real measure, dude, look at that. Toronto went up 1.10, so not too bad. Starting to make positive momentum, that's fine. High low. High low, high low. Nothing there. Oil at 36 buckaroos, man. Again, look at that. West Texas managed to drop. Why did it drop? Because we had the hidden bearish. Brent oil, what's it doing? Same, right? We had the hidden bearish. We're going to move down. We talked about that possibility, right? Now low, lower, low. Right, look at this. We're starting to create some strong bullish divergence. We might go for a bounce here on Brent oil. That's also going to be happening on West Texas. I just didn't chart it there yet, but look at this, right? From here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. Strong bullish, potential bounce coming in. We could drop more still and still have that strong bullish. But we have strong bullish right now. Let's look at West Texas and finish that. And West Texas didn't drop as slow as this one, so I'm not going to call it here. We don't have it. I thought we had it, but upon revision, we're technically slightly higher. So, you know, that's fine there. Stuff happening here in the chat. Yeah, what? Steve S saying, I think the get-rich-quick crowd is being distracted by Tesla and the market going insane over the last couple of months. And my left again. And your left again. Oh, sorry, I'm left again. I thought you were talking about my left. And you're left again with just with the crypto diehards. Yeah, maybe, dude. But I'll be back as soon as we get live again. Yeah, dude, any small pump is going to bring him back in, right? The FOMO people. We'll call them that, the FOMOers. Where's Bitcoin at, dude? 10,545. It's not too bad, right? Again, you know, really hit that 20. Trying to hold on to that. Ethereum, again, right? Just sideways, man. Again, a little bit upsloping. Still yet to determine what we're going to do with this. What else do you guys want to do? Jake, how's your Among Us career coming along, dude? I haven't seen you play. I haven't been getting notifications for you playing though. I don't know if you're still doing that on Periscope or whatnot. Everyone is scared of Trump's news today. Yeah, but you know, look, Boris Johnson got it. And, you know, like the market didn't die. I want to see how he's going to handle it because I thought Trump was a little bit of a germaphobe, right? So I'm not sure how he's going to handle that. I'm just looking at the news, see what else is happening here. CDC identifies new COVID-19 syndrome in adults similar to MIS. Because I'm not even sure what MIS is in kids, right? Anyways, but the hell is this? This looks weird. Okay, there's obviously an image going down like that. Microsoft, why is there an abyss in the middle of Brazil? That is awkward, dude. That is awkward looking at that picture. Anyways, dude, I usually don't look at the news, but you know. Tornado strikes popular beach. Wow. You know, whatever, man. Let's go back to markets. Yeah, I know. But he is like the UK's economy is pretty strong, right? Look, a pound, it's $1.29. That means a pound is stronger than a dollar still. So a pound is worth more than a dollar. Because, so it is a strong economy, right? And it's one of the strongest economies in Europe. So on that note, that would just be my reply. If his health goes bad by Monday, it could be a crapshoot. Yeah, I would agree, dude. That people are going to be scared of the markets, right? Yeah, but look, I don't want to be a pessimist, but if something happens to Trump, there's going to be someone else who's going to take his place for presidential, to run up for office, right? So, like, the party's agenda will still go through if the newcomer, like, manages to win. Yeah, I do get what you're saying, right? That there's going to bring some uncertainty. But we'll see what happens, man. I mean, again, I wish him well, and I hope that he recovers. But, you know, I don't think it should affect the markets. It will affect the markets. I'm not saying it isn't. But I think it's just one of those sideways things that shouldn't be affecting the market so much. We shouldn't allow it to affect the market so much. Anyways. I wonder if how many people he actually came in contact with that he could have also passed on coronavirus to, right? Including you know, the debate. I know they're probably distance off and off, but you know, still. But yeah, what else? What else do you guys want to look at? Let me know. A couple people tuned in. Thank you for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. It is Friday night. It is 10:08 p.m. and there's no requests coming in. I mean, I don't mind chatting. Like you know, let's get the party rolling, man. Let's bring the beers out. Yep. What's ETN at? Yeah, we'll look at ETN, bro. Is anyone here mind pie? I had pie today. Pumpkin pie. That's why I was beating cream. Whipping cream. Because I wanted to have like some whipped cream on my pumpkin pie. But I ended up making like butter. So I had to, you know. Anyways. You're in your mobile in a hot tub? Are you partying, bro? Or are you like in your house in a hot tub? That's gonna be weird. Let's look at ETN, man. Whatever you do, just don't have your phone plugged in as you're in a bathtub. That would be bad if your phone fell in the water. Safety first. Damn. What's happening here, man? We had a sort of triangle, right? That we kind of drew the other day. You gotta like get better touch points here. There we go. So look, this is a triangle gonna break. I don't want to break to the upside. I mean, I'm not sure how much weight I want to put into this being a triangle. Managing to get above that 618, which is fine. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing bearish yet. Nothing bullish either, right? We're like consolidating into a triangle pattern. That's why we drew it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Anyways, this is sitting at like half a cent, right? 0.51 cents. Which it ain't too bad, man. Last one, was it September 27 last time we looked at it? But yeah, it looks like it. So we went higher, we came in here lower. I'm not sure. We came in here, that's fine, right? So we're creating a bearish divergence, move down that. Went to a new high. Alright, look at that. So I'm just gonna go to this one. I'm gonna ignore that island. It's all the same, but I'll just go from here to here. Alright. And here to here. So strong bearish, we broke down again. Try to rally, still not at the previous high. That's fine. Will this be on the 4 hour? No, I was fucking up again, dude, on the charts. Let's clean this up real quick. Yep. Anyways, coming in lower, negative, less negative as we're coming lower. Yeah, some strong bullish here, dude. You know, let's go with this one here. Why not? Coming in lower here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Alright, first things first, right? Like things that pop out as I start looking at the charts. Bearish divergence. So boom, right? Strong bearish. Action downside. Boom, move down. Nothing bullish. That's fine. Low. Nothing bullish here either. So we just took a bounce here. It's fine. I'm not gonna get into a lot of why we got a bounce here. Maybe the divergence on the 4 hour helped us to bounce, right? So yeah, that's good enough reason for me right now. High to low, positive to less positive momentum. High to low, also nothing there, man. Nothing here, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, less negative. Actually positive. Low, higher, low. So nothing bullish, dude. Well, I'm not having a lot of luck by looking at Electroneum, right? ETN, there and see what it wants to do, man. It's just weird. High to low, high to low, negative, more negative, right? So nothing bullish, dude. Again, the only thing I can do right now, I guess, would be doing this line here. Maybe try to get a support line going on. That's about it, though. Right. Again, not a lot with Electroneum, dude. Sorry, man. This coin is freaking weird, man. Oh, you know what I haven't looked at? RSR, dude. I'm not even sure how I'm doing on that one. I know I took a massive beating on not reading the market properly. And that I should have exited plenty of times, but I haven't. And last time I talked about exiting, it was here at 9 cents. Or here at 10 cents, and I didn't pull the trigger. So you know what? Now it's at 8 cents, and I'm paying... I'm going to write this one, dude. I already determined that a while back. That I was not going to worry about this project, depending on... so, you know, well, it wasn't too much that I put in here, so I'm okay with that. High to lower, high, positive, less positive, high, other side to lower point. Again, nothing bearish, nothing bullish right now. Massive bidding here, dude. Where's Solo at? I know I'm taking good profit on Solo. I don't have my cell phone to like check it out, but I was still at $30 today when I checked. But again, it's a huge arbitrage opportunity between HitBTC Solo and somewhere else. Yeah, on that note, I'm not sure who's still watching, but thank you all for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Because why not? I think I just sent the YouTube link out. Yeah, join us on YouTube as well if you're watching on another platform. On that note, those little things that are going to pop out on the screen. The like, the sub, and the bell, right? Think it. Anyways. Oh no, what are we going to do? Dude, what is the market doing? There's really not a lot of movement going on today, right? Oh, Tesla dropped 7%. Why? Now, why is Tesla dropping? Nothing bullish. Except this bullish divergence here. Nothing bearish, right? Starting to consolidate. Look at that. Something like that, and then something like that. I'm not gonna touch. I'm not gonna get all the touch points, but you know, if you want to go here, then we'll be breaking out, and we broke back into the triangle. I'm just gonna go there. I don't have a lot going on with Tesla. If you look at this from way back here, it will be a massive broadening wedge. We're really looking even to March 2019, right? When it was at $70, which we know wasn't $70. It was like freaking insanely high. It was like, I can't remember what split it did, so just times it by the time the splits had. Tesla's fantastic. That stock is a day's trader stream. Yeah, dude, it is trading insanely quickly, right? You got a lot of opportunities in Tesla, bro, for sure. I agree with you. Tesla, it is a people's wet dream. A lot of people want Tesla, dude. I'm looking at stuff, dude. There's really nothing pumping. Like nothing going insanely high, nothing coming down insanely hard. Most of the stuff is just like less than 1% move, so it's just super boring market day right now. Man, so if you guys don't give me any requests, I think if I scroll through stuff and I don't see anything that's worth looking at, you know, I'm just gonna like skip it. I remember Slim Trady had talked about BZRX, right? And how was a good entry? I can't remember when. And I was like, where is that entry, man? I'm not seeing it. And obviously it never played, right? It's been going down lower every time. And I think he called it maybe somewhere around here. No, it's the 1 hour. It was like way back here probably. It's just going down since, or even here, man. I can't remember if it was around here. I talked about that one a while back, so. Or maybe here, right? And then, yeah, because we had lines there on the 15th or so. And he's gone massively down since. I don't know where he saw it in. But he was saying on Twitter that, you know, it was going to play out. And he had his in. Maybe he shorted it. I doubt you can short this, but who knows? Well, I think that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Again, thank you for being here. Thank you for being us some followers of the channel. Steve S., I haven't burned too many trades in a row. Okay. Yeah, be careful with that, man. Again, this set of Crypto, I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. I hope you're having a great time. Steve is saying he needs a real green October to make up. Yeah, for reals, not advice. A lot of people are gonna get paychecks from DVT, and they're gonna put it into DVT, from what I heard. So it might go up a little bit, man. You know, D was here the other day. He was saying he was gonna buy some 4.3 sats is super cheap for this. You can buy a lot of DVT for 4.3. And if it just goes up to 5 or 6, even 7, you'll be set, man. You will be taking a massive, good percentage to the upside, right? All our projects you can hold long term. Yeah, dude, you know, Again, I advocate for this coin's trading ability because look at the moves it has intraday, right? Look at this. You could have bought here at 4.3 and rode it all the way up to 4.9, right? That would have been over 10. What is this percentage here? 13% gain, right? Look at that, right? In intraday. Here you had a 6% gain. Here you had a 5% gain, right? Here you had a 4% gain. Here you had a 10% gain. Over here on the 28th, you had a 19% gain, right? So, you know, it does have good opportunities, right? For trading. You just gotta find your get in. Like, if you would have gotten in at 4 yesterday when we were talking about this, you would have gotten out at 5. That would have made a 25% gain, and it did wick 5. Maybe you wouldn't have sold your whole bag. You could have sold some at 4.9, but it would have still been around a 23% gain. Look at that, right? 22, almost 23. Right, 22. And then here, 25, right? So again, it has good opportunities, man, to make good money in. And a lot of people ignore it because it's such a small project. But, you know, even $100 can get you a good position here. And $100 is not that much money, right? That's how much I wasted on RSR. And I, right now, actually regret it. I should have just waited and bought more DVT. I should just have whatever I have left in RSR, remove it from there, send it to this exchange and just buy DVT, man. Because, you know, I think if DVT just goes up 20%, 50%, you know, whatever, I'm just going to recover quickly. Because RSR, I don't know where it's going to pump. But DVT, I know that it might go up. On that note, yeah, I'm going to end the stream. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. Again, a pleasure being here with you all on this awesome Friday night. I thank you all for joining me. You know, whoever came in today, Bitcoin Jake, Steve, Andrew, FL. Hope your lawn's properly watered, FL, by the way. Thank you all for being here. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto, guys. I'll be here. So thank you all for joining me tonight, and that's gonna be it. As my buddy Bitcoin Jake says sometimes, because love and hodl, guys. That'll be all.